Hey guys, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal.com, and today I'm going to show you how to download our free digital rubber stamp for the month of February. Alright, the first thing that we're going to do is head out to our website. Our website is just simply JessicaLynnOriginal.com. And when you're out here, you can see a couple of things on our main page. Obviously, at the top, we show part of our Instagram feed. I love showing off your cards. So if you make a card using any of our stamps, digital, photopolymer, etc., please tag it with the hashtag JessicaLynnOriginal, and I'll make sure to re-Instagram that so it'll show up on our feed up at the top of our page. So the first thing you're going to see when you scroll down a little bit is photopolymer stamps and shopping with us. So you can see all our custom stamps, our digitals, geocache, etc. You can see our newest stamps load as well. We have a new category called custom rubber stamps. So if you're looking for a custom return address stamp, wedding stamp, etc., be sure to take a look at this site. Those are red rubber, professionally mounted rubber stamps. We've also got our blog down below, so be sure to take a look at that. So today we are going to download the February free digital stamp. The stamp that we have available, so we're going to go to digital stamps. We could have also typed digital stamp or free stamp up here in the top search box, but you can see we've got a couple of them out there. I am in the process of redesigning a bunch of new digital stamps and stuff like that. We are going to offer one free digital stamp a month, and it will change every month. So the very first one we have available is going to be this adorable little bumblebee. Now, side note, they are not colored in, it is just the line art. But I color it in so you get an idea of how you could color it in. So let's go ahead and click on this cute little bumblebee. The page is going to load, and you can see them a little larger so you can see all the detail. Couple of things about our digital stamps. I would love for you to make cards with them. You can go to craft fairs and sell cards with them. We just ask that you reference on the back that the stamp that you used was from JessicaLynnOriginal.com. With our rubber stamps, or with our clear stamps, or with our digital stamps, we do ask a couple of things. Obviously, they're for your personal work. You know, make sure that these images cannot be used for logos. They cannot be used for logos that you're going to, create for someone else. You cannot redistribute them. You cannot use them as clip art for rubber stamps, anything. Stickers, etc. That would be stealing. Please don't do that. We do copyright all of our art, and it cannot be used as a greater freebie offered somewhere else. So we just ask, if you're going to make a card, just link it back to this page so somebody else can come and download it as well. Once we're out of our free February month, the bumblebee will be a stamp that you can then purchase. So just know that this was only available for the month of February of 2019. After that, this stamp will be available to purchase. Okay? So you might say to me, great, I love them. I want to make a card with them. It's so cute. How do I do that? So you're going to put quantity 1, because you only need 1. We're going to add it to your cart. Now that I'm in my cart, you can see it's got the free download. You can see total cost is nothing. And you say, okay, now what? Well, you could put me a little note, thank you, Jess, I love it, or you don't have to write me if you don't want to. Then what you're going to do is check out. Now, the reason that we do this is we're building a contract together saying that you are not going to go ahead and redistribute this. You're not going to do anything like that. Just know that we don't do anything with your information. Our website is a secure site, but it also will create you an account if you want. It's up to you. You don't have to. And because there's no payment, you can see it does say continue to payment method, but it will not charge you anything. So let's go ahead and do that process so you can see how it works. Alright, so now I went ahead and put my email in, and because I've already got an account, it will email me or text me a code to enter in, and that code is different every time, just so that you know. That was the one. Oh, did I not enter in the right one? Let me try again. Oh, here we go. Alright, new code. So just so you know, the codes change every time, which I really like. thumbs up. Gonna go ahead and get logged in. Now because my dollar amount is 0, it's just gonna tell me that I basically skip over the payment method. Okay, so I don't even have to worry about that. I'm gonna go ahead and say, great, let's complete the order. It's gonna take a moment, it will process it. And then it's gonna come back and say, thanks, Jess, we've got you all set. And it's gonna prepare our downloads for us. So I really like this because you're able to actually see it. Now this is the page you would see if you ordered anything else. Please know that you can order digital stamps with other products in our store. You will get the digitals available instantly and you can start working with them right away. You don't have to wait. Once it loads, all you have to do is, you can see right here, you just have to stay in that window and it'll tell you that it's available for you to download right away. You're also going to get an email, just so that you know, with the download link if for some reason you left this page. So let's go ahead and download now. And you can see the Bumblebee will load on your page. And then what I'll typically do is go File, Save As, and then I'll save a copy of it to my desktop so that it's easy for me to find it later. Alright, so now we have gone through the website, downloaded everything. We agree to the fact that we're only going to use this for our cards. We're not going to use it to try and sell or do other stuff. We offer the digital stamps because we'd love for you guys to be able to try out our stamps and see if you like the art and see if it's something that's going to vibe with your card making style. With that being said, if it gets abused, we will discontinue this program. I really hope not to. We've been in business for 14 years on April 1st, and I really don't want to have to stop doing those, so please just don't do it. Let's not ruin it. So you say to me, great, I've got my digital stamp, it's saved on my desktop. What do I do next? The next step, you got a couple of choices. I typically will go into a Word document. We could do insert and we'll do image from computer. I'll go and find the image that I have out and available. There he is. Oh, there he is all colored in. So let's go ahead and click on that. And you can see he loads huge. So he's, what is that? 6.5 by almost 7 inches. Well, I'm not going to make a card that big. So what I can do is actually click on the image and adjust it. So maybe I'm going to make him a 4x4. Look how cute that is. And the thing that's nice about this is you can go in and format your page. You could add different borders so that there's not quite that 1 inch all the way around. You could go in and say, well, I'm going to make a bunch of them, or I'm going to make a couple tiny ones, you know, whatever you decide. Or you could say, you know what, I'm going to cut this out and give it to my daughter to color. You can do that too. And you know what, if you do, share it on Instagram. We'll re-Instagram it out on our account because we love sharing your social media and the images that you guys create using our stamps, and it'll show up at the top of our website. So just know that that's always changing. So definitely watch for your card or crafting item to be featured on our page. So maybe I'm going to make him huge. Maybe I'm only going to make him, let's just go back. I'm going to do him like 3.5 by 3.5. And I am going to put multiple bees on there, because I don't want to waste paper. Now let me see. I'm in the online version of Microsoft Word. It's part of the Office 365 profile, if that makes any sense to anyone. If not, then don't worry about it. Let me just see. I'm going to see if I can right click. Let's do image options. Oh, I can change his color. That's fun. Not what I was hoping to do, but totally fine. So let's just say I'm going to just do these two in the 3.5 by 3.5. I can put some space between them. Now the thing that's really nice is if you have, for example, like the Brother Scan and Cut or the Cricut where it can scan it and then cut it out, this is awesome, because now what you can do is print this out on cardstock, run it through your Brother Scan and Cut, and you have a beautifully cut image. Now I have a lot of people that have said to me, Jess, my printer, I don't know, it just doesn't print the way I want it to. A trick that we've used in the past, send it off to Kinko's. Go and pick it up. It's awesome. They have professional laser printers where they will print it on cardstock that is gorgeous. So just an option, don't have to do it, but just another option you could choose. So once you have this ready to go, all you're going to do is Control P or go to print. And, oh, why does it show two? Oh, I have extra spaces in there. Did I do extra space on the top or the bottom? Oh, that's weird. Okay. Well, I'm going to do print, Control P, or you can just go down to print. And then I'm just going to say, well, just print one page. I don't need multiple. And then it shows me how it's going to look. Okay. From here, normal process. It's as though you stamped it on the page. Although you printed on the page, if you will. So now you could go in and take your Copics, your colored pencils, whatever you've got, color it in, cut it out, do a beautiful, amazing card layout, add our little bumblebee. Don't forget on the back, just make sure that you put that the stamp or the digital stamp came from JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Or if you're going to go ahead and sell it, just make sure that you put in the listing that the stamp came from us. And again, this adorable little bumblebee is going to be the February free digital stamp of the month for February 2019. We are going to start this program back up again where every month it is going to change. So if you're interested, be sure to visit very often. We're also going to be adding new stamps and once a month design team members, so 1 month commitments for design team members if you're interested. I will put a link down below to sign up for that. If you have any questions or anything like that, don't forget to send us an email. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate it. We are JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Be sure to visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our mailing letter or hear our YouTube channel. We'd love to have you be part of our YouTube channel experience. We've got some really exciting things coming over the next couple of months. And thank you again. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.